This is Rich Source, and we would like to introduce you our eClass solutions. Now, almost every kid has a smartphone. To respond to this phenomenon, education must change accordingly. eClass Solutions by Rich Source can provide you with different educating modes. We combine our touchscreen with a traditional white or blackboard. Thus, it makes no generation gap between educators and students with different acceptability. No need to bring heavy teaching materials to the class. Teachers only have to store their prepared teaching materials in a USB and plug it into the touchscreen. With our built-in system, it supports Office format. You can open Word, PowerPoint, or PDF on touchscreen and make annotations. Using online teaching materials to teach, diverse lessons make students more proactive. Teachers can combine the built-in 9-way split screen mirroring function to create interactivity. It is simple to use and it supports multiple systems. Write bullet points on the electronic whiteboard. Switch the pages here and make conclusion or summary. If you want to share your notes with the listeners, make it into a QR code. With our built-in Android system, it makes the touchscreen a huge tablet. Just like smartphones, you can download any applications as you like. Multiple built-in signals for you to choose. One slide to swipe to your device. You don't have to accustom to a new interface or system. During the class, when the administration needs to broadcast, use our silent broadcasting software FMKTA. Unlike traditional broadcasting system, it doesn't bother teachers teaching. It also has high directivity and creates the best eClass environment. Before the class is off, save your notes in the built-in storage. Next time, open and edit it as you like. You can review your notes with the students easily. Use products from Rich Source to reduce the distance between students and teachers. You can use water to wipe your handwriting off. Use your touchscreen as a projector. Pause and use annotation as you like. Boot up within 10 seconds. No advanced settings needed. Please contact us to learn more.